Hello friends, now we are starting geography. I will tell science afterwards. So let's start now studying. The first chapter of geography is the Earth in the solar system. The, that's all you know that Earth is a part of solar system, solar family. Yes, and there are 8 planets in our solar system. And in which galaxy our solar system is? It is in Milky Way galaxy. So now we are starting reading. See, here is written, how wonderful is to watch the sky after sunset. One would first notice one or two bright star dots shining in the sky. Soon you would see the number increasing. You cannot count them anymore. It is not too much of studying line, but here is written, soon you would see the number increasing. This line, sorry, here. Soon you would see number increasing. Soon you would see number increasing. You cannot count them anymore. This number means star is only the thing which cannot be counted. If you start counting one star and you will forget, oh, every star looks like same only. But I also tell that the brightest star sometime in east only it is, or in the top, the brightest star, you can see it on the east or top. That star is Venus. Only a Venus. That is only Venus. Okay, now we will start from a studying line. For those, the whole star will tiny object stop dwelling up here, but if you look, you will notice here is written that everything will not twinkle in the night sky. Like you can take an example of moon. It not twinkle. Along with these bright objects, you may also see the moon on most of the days. Moon is on most of the days, not every day. In a month, there is a full moon once or 2 times only. More than that, no. In different shape at different position. You can see the full moon only once. Here is written, you can see the full moon only once. You can see the full moon only once in about a month. Only once we can see. It is full moon or Purnima. In Hindi, you know that it is called Purnima. A fortnight later, you cannot see it all. After fortnight or some days, you cannot see. And that star is called new moon. Here is written, it is a new moon or Amavasya. In Hindi, it is Amavasya. On this day, you can watch the night sky best. This means in this day the night is clear, fully clear. No other thing. Only stars. Too many stars are there. Do you wonder why can't we see all them? see the moon and all those bright tiny objects during daytime? It is because the very bright light of the sun does not allow us to see all these bright objects on the night sky. The sun is too much far, but its light is too much bright that it came to here, and because of Earth atmosphere, the light goes in everywhere. So because of that, nothing like some because of sun, we can't see moon and stars. Moon is little bit shiny, but moon is little bit shiny than stars. So you will notice at 6 or 7 in summer, the moon appears again, because moon is a shiny object than stars. So stars are not that shiny much, so star cannot be seen that time. The sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. The objects which are found in our space, heavenly bodies which are found in space, some are made of gas, rocks, and other more. Example here is written: sun, moon, all satellites, and the planets, asteroids, and meteorites are also a celestial body. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot, like our sun. They are made up of gases, as the sun is also made up of gases. They have their own heat and light. They emit in large amount. They have their own heat and light. They not take the light from other. They give light to others, like sun give the light to our planets and the satellites like moons. These celestial bodies are called stars. The sun is a star. These are called stars. These which are made up of gases and emit their own heat and light are called star. A sun is a star. Countless twinkling stars in the night sky are similar to the sun, but the countless twinkling stars which you see in the night are similar to the earth, but they are too much far. You can't imagine that also. But we don't feel their heat and light and they look tiny because they are very far from us. We can't feel their heat. Like sun is near. It is the nearest star to a planet. So these are called. So we can feel it, light and heat, but they are so far, so we can only see their light. Don't feel it. Okay, for today only one page. It was a starting. Okay, thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.